What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be replacing this passenger door handle on my '07 BMW 335. As you can see, it's all messed up and faded, and the rubber coating's actually starting to peel off now. So I end up getting a carbon fiber one off of Amazon, and it doesn't look that bad. I believe it was like $40 or $50. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description if you guys want to pick it up. So I already went ahead and took the door panel off. And right now what we have to do is drill out these rivets that actually hold the inner part of the handle onto the door panel. So it's four of them, two up top and then two at the bottom. And what I'm going to do first is drill them out, and then whatever plastic is still left over, I'm going to use the flathead to actually pop the rest of it out. In the next clip you can actually see me drilling these out. So I just went ahead and kept this part in. I sped it up, but I'm just literally drilling out the rivets. And once we drill out the rivets, then we can put the new carbon fiber handle in. This is going to make a mess, so at least vacuum up the shavings once you're done. And you don't want to use a drill bit that's too big because you don't want to make the hole bigger. The kit actually does come with washers and screws to put the new one in. So right here you can see I'm trying to install the inside of the handle. I had an issue where I drilled the rivets out. It wasn't like sitting in there flush, so I kind of like carved it out a little bit with the flathead just so that it sits in there flush. And then, like I said, the kit comes with the screws and washers. You definitely want to use the washers. So that way the handle actually stays in there like how it's supposed to and doesn't fall out. The screws provided in the kit are actually a Phillips. If you can tell, I'm using a flathead. It's just small enough for me to be able to screw it on. I didn't feel like running out to get a Phillips. It's raining out today anyways. Since these screws are the ones that are going into the carbon fiber, you don't want to over tighten them. Just snug them up a little bit, and it'll be fine. And before you mount it back onto the door, you can yank on it a little bit, as if you're closing the door, just to make sure that it's not too loose. I don't have anything else in the car that's carbon fiber. This is going to be the only thing, and doesn't stick out too much. It actually looks pretty good in there. Down the line I do plan on wrapping the trim in carbon fiber, but as you can see, the fitment on this, even though I got it off of Amazon, it's pretty good, and there's no really gaps in this. It almost looks like it's factory. If you guys want to go ahead and pick this up, I'm going to leave a link down in the description. Thanks for watching.